Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce with MuleSoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we will need just to go to our MuleSoft and then after creating your account, you will need just to go to Access Management. So here in the Access Management, we will find the Salesforce synchronization. So from there, you will need just to click on Add Salesforce org, and then you will need just to go and add the Salesforce tenant key. And basically, we can get the key from here. You will need just to go to the setup, and basically, you will need just to search for MuleSoft. And basically, from there, you will need just to go to the home in Salesforce. You go to setup and search for MuleSoft and make sure that your version assists MuleSoft. And if it's not included, means that you're not allowed to have it in your organization. And after that, you will need just to go to any point platform. And after that, you will get the key. By getting the key, you will need just to add it here and click on add. By clicking on add, you will be able to create a connection between MuleSoft and your Salesforce uh, organization. So in the connection to MuleSoft any point platform, you will be able to get your organization key and then you can add it to your Salesforce here, click add, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can create a connection between your Salesforce account and your MuleSoft account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.